Is it cool out?
Cameron, come here. Come here. Hey. Cameron. Cameron. Look it. Hey. Say hi. Come here, Master Destructo. Cameron. I'm trying not to get you. Cameron. Hey, look. What's that? Cameron, say hi. Blow kisses. Cameron.
Give mommy kisses.
Have kiss. Give me a kiss. Cameron. Oh my God, he's so thick-headed. Cameron. Have a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Oh.
Alright, and he disappeared for a minute.
Oh. He's climbing on Grandma.